Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is actually coming live from Vietnam, guys. This afternoon drive time update, guys. We got a beautiful view in the back. Hopefully you guys love it. And things are looking pretty good. And today we're going to talk about something different. And remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is for educational purposes only. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some news. It looks like, based on SEC filings that Tesla did in September, it looks like that Tesla could be gearing up to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin payments to buy a Tesla car. So that's really huge news, guys, if that happens. We're also going to jump into Harmony One coin because a lot of people on my channel have been asking for it. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. I love the Dogecoin to the moon, guys. We're also going to talk about Shiba Inu as well. And also, first time I talked about it, was going to talk about Saitama Coin. A lot of my subscribers out there are asking for it. A lot of the members are asking for it. So we're going to talk about Harmony One, and I'm going to keep Harmony One as kind of a featured coin that we're going to continue to be talking about on this channel. And we're going to talk about Shiba Inu as well. We're going to talk about Saitama. It's the first time I've talked about Saitama. I don't know much about it. It's a meme coin. And it looks like it's gaining some traction. I mean, it's up like 57-60% today. So we're gonna look at that because I know a lot of people that love the Doge, that love the Shiba Inu, and love the Saitama. They're all into this kind of stuff. The only thing that's kind of a downside for Saitama is for newbies out there, it's not easy to buy. You've got to go through Uniswap or Shiba Swap or 1inch or Curve. Any of the dexes to buy it, and some of the exchanges, Hobit Exchange actually has it listed, guys. So that's a Chinese exchange or a Hong Kong exchange, so they do have it. But buying Saitama is not easy right now, and this is still in its early phases, and we're going to be seeing as more and more exchanges ape into it or allow you to trade, I think the price is going to go up. So remember, this is the OG. This is not financial advice, just educational purposes only. Remember, I have this rule for myself personally. I don't buy in any cryptocurrency that's younger than 2 years. So even though I'd love to own some Shiba Inu, even though I'd love to maybe try my luck at Saitama, I have my policy in place. That's my personal policy, and I've had it for years. So I'm kind of reluctant to. I can't, get into these coins, but that doesn't mean I can't cover it, guys. So I just want to say, I'm very agnostic about all these cryptos out there. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at it. I mean, Harmony's been around a long time, so we're going to be looking at that. It's going to be a regular feature on the channel. Of course, the Doge, and we're going to talk about Shiba, and we're going to, just have a quick update on Saitama as well. Because as I said, a lot of people are asking me for it. So, I got to give what the community wants, right? And I'm going to be fair and unbiased. I don't particularly, I'm not negative on the Shiba, I'm not negative on the Saitama coin. I love the Doge. I'm holding a lot of Doge. You guys all know that. So I just want to bring the news as I see it, and be balanced and fair, guys. That's really what I want to do, and that's what I want to do. And also I want to bring the love, the crypto love, bring as much love in the house as possible to all of you out there. So it's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the content without further delay. Let's just jump into the Saitama coin. So right now we can see that Saitama coin is trading at a ton of zeros. I'm not going to say all the zeros because I'll get boring. So it's right now it's up 63.61%, and it's at 82.02. So it's not looking pretty good, if you're up 63%, it's not too shabby, guys. And right now we can see that basically the Saitama looks like it's it's heading to its all-time high. So we had an all-time high of like right around here. So it looks like we're heading up to all-time highs pretty soon. So it's looking pretty good. I don't know a lot about this coin. So right now we're at 0082, and it looks like we had an all-time high of around about 5954. So let me do that. There we go. So it looks like we're, getting pretty close to all-time highs. Let's take a look at that on the month. Yeah, so it looks like we're getting close to all-time highs, right? 80.082. So it looks like we're at all-time highs now, and it looks like looking pretty good. And this is, I'm using Coin Market Cap. We'll use Coin Live Watch to jump into it. So basically, where can you buy if you're interested in picking up Saitama? Where can you buy it? So this is kind of interesting. Saitama data is here. Let's look at the markets. Where are the markets? Let's take a look at the markets. So looks like, you can buy it on Uniswap, LB Bank, OX Protocol, XT.com, Shiba Swap, Hobbit, Gate.io, ZT, and BKEX. So these seems to some place that you can buy it. So like I said, it's not easy to get into Saitama right now. You've got to use a DEX, and there's a couple of exchanges like Gate.io. Hobbit is also out there. And some of the pairs is Uniswap is using wrapped Ethereum, LBank is using USDT, Ox Protocol is using wrapped Ethereum, USDT, wrapped Ethereum, and you can actually trade Shiba Inu and Saitama pair on Shiba Swap. Hobbit is using this NUST, which is kind of like a fraction of fractional part of a USDT. And remember, different exchanges have different prices, right? Like this exchange Uniswap is like 8017, this 8229, and Hobbit is at 8205, guys. So the actual price is at 8202. So just guys, it's interesting, guys. So there's the Saitama coin, and some interesting news that's coming about Saitama. It looks like we're going to have Bitmart is going to list Saitama. So this is really cool news. It looks like it's happening today, and that's going to be good. And Gate.io was just recently listed as well. Gate.io, it looks like, I hope everyone is having a great weekend. And as we gather our listing data for a Bitmark exchange, would also like to announce our agreement with Gate.io. So it looks like Gate.io is also going to be listing it pretty soon. So we could see more and more adoption as more and more exchanges accept Saitama coin. Then you're going to see the price going up, right? Could Saitama coin be on? Could Saitama coin end up on being on Robinhood and Coinbase? I don't know. It's just a matter of time, perhaps. And it looks like if you talk about Shiba Inu in the house right now, Shiba Inu right now is trading at 41.47, and just so you guys know, I've kind of basically this is my zone 1. We saw that happen. We got zone 2 here and zone 3. So we had this whole consolidation period for we had this consolidation period for quite some time. This went all the way back. Let's go back all the way back. We had this consolidation period all the way back to like beginning of October, and we kind of broke out. We kind of broke out here, which was the 23rd. So it's almost like 2 weeks of consolidation. Then we had a huge blast off. So then we had a blast off. It took us into zone 3 here, and now we're having. We went up, it got rejected, come back down. So we could see maybe another 10 to 15 days in this area where we get a consolidation, and then once that happens, we could see the Shiba Inu then going up to zone 3, and then basically it'll blast off past here, then get rejected, and then we'll go consolidating here, and that puts us at 43.1, and then at a high of 53. So right now we're just in zone 2. So this is zone 1, zone 2, and zone 2 is trading between 33 is a support level, and 43 is the top side. So I think that we're on the higher side. So I think that here in zone 1 we had almost a 14-day consolidation. Because we're on the higher side, we could see that this consolidation could be like a week or so, and then we'll blast up into here. So that's looking pretty good. Some other news that's coming in, we see that Tesla hints it may soon resume support for crypto payments. So in September, during the quarterly filing, Tesla had to basically tell the SEC that they would be restarting and possibly thinking about accepting Bitcoin as payment. So, because it's a publicly traded company, Tesla has a fiduciary responsibility that they have to report that to SEC. So it said that, it would be restarting the practice of transacting cryptocurrencies, suggesting Tesla is eyeing on resuming support to purchases made for digital assets. So I really hope that comes true because, back in June, remember at the Plan B with, not Plan B, but the B World with Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk did say that if Bitcoin mining was 50% eco-friendly, that they would resume accepting payments. So I don't know what the delay is for Elon out there. He's just been delaying it. And, we already had that the Bitcoin mining foundation that's being headed by Michael Saylor. They've already reported that, more than it's like 63% of all mining is now eco-friendly and using renewable energy. So I don't know. I have no idea what Elon Musk is waiting for. He needs to get his act together and start accepting Bitcoin to buy Teslas and Dogecoin too. So we're all waiting for that. The Dogecoin community has been waiting for that for a very, very long time. So Elon, if you're watching this, I did send you out a tweet. You didn't reply. Thanks, brother. And yeah, I would like to pick up a new Tesla using Bitcoin, because my old one that I have in California it's old. I want to get a new one, guys. I want to do that. Here in Vietnam, Tesla's not possible because you don't have recharging stations. Too bad for that. I'd love to have a Tesla in Vietnam. It would be fun, but there's no charging stations. You just basically have to plug it into your mains, and so it'd just be kind of weird, guys. So from that perspective, we need the Tesla, the Gideon up. Also, too, I found this model. This is from Miles J Creative, and he's kind of created this whole elaborate model. It's like it looks pretty confusing, but basically he's saying that the model price for 2000 and for this year looks like we could be seeing $450,000 to $520,000 Bitcoin. Wow! If that happens, wow! I mean, if that happens, that would be crazy. And then he's basically saying that here, if the market retrenches from all-time high, which is 85%, that we could see the bear market low of $65,000 to $75,000. Personally speaking, I think he has this correct, the 85% drop. Often that we see that, when Bitcoin hits its all-time highs, we'll often retrench about 85% when it's in the bear market. So, I mean, he is saying something that has, some people are saying December 21st is the cycle top. He's saying December 25th is the cycle top. But his target is really high. So I really hope it does that. I mean, my target, I'm basically following Plan B's target, and Plan B's target right here is basically $135,000 in December, and that would be around about 21st to 25th of December. So for me, that is going to be the zone that I'm going to start taking profits on my Bitcoin. This is not financial advice. Smash the like, guys. Smash the like. Subscribe, BYB in the house, guys. And if you love this content, and if you love it when I cover other coins, like I include Saitama today, let me know. If you love Harmony, let me know, and I'll keep including that. So it's a really good time to be alive. So yeah. And so he's really kind of like, it's confusing, but basically he's saying that we can see Bitcoin going up to 450, 520, and bear market low is going to drop 85%. So based on this target, 85% puts us here and here. So if it's $100,000, then if it drops $85,000, 85%, that could take us down to like 15, 20K. That's a really low ball for me. So let's keep an eye on that. Also, too, we're seeing a Backit share skyrocket after partnering with Visa, with MasterCard. So I talked to you about that. So Backit share price surged 120% during Monday's trading session on the heels of fresh partnerships and global payment firms. So you guys all know that they've teamed up with Google Pay already. And then the Backit has announced that it's partnering up with MasterCard. So this is looking pretty good, and there seems to be like the global collaboration for Bitcoin payments for some of the big boys. So it looks like they're doing pretty good, and it looks like they're doing a lot better than BitPay and all that kind of stuff. So they're doing really good. And so on Monday, MasterCard announced that it would be working with digital asset platform Backit to allow its customers based in the United States to buy, sell, and hold digital assets through custodial wallets. On the same day, global payment provider Fiserv also announced strategic collaboration with Backit, offering merchant-facing digital asset services. So the news drove the bullish day of Backit, with the stock rallying by more than 50% outside of regular trading hours from Monday 22nd, closing price of $9.15 before surging to 120% close at 30 on October 25th. So this stock is a real bad boy, guys. It went up like 120%. It's almost like crypto, guys. I wish I had jumped in that one, but I should have saw it coming, guys. We should have all saw it coming when Backit and Google Pay teamed up. So some other news that's coming in right now, we're seeing that the Coin reports, Coin's drove institutional interest in 2021. So we're seeing right in a report that was released by OK Coin said that had seen 450% increase in the number of institutional customers on its platform between September 2020 and September 2021, as well as a 124% increase in trading volume over the same time. So it seems that, according to this report, institutional players are now aping into cryptocurrency like never before. According to the report, 53% of the purchases institutional investors made in September were for altcoins. So we're seeing more and more of the institutions aping into altcoins like never before. In addition, customers showed greater appetite for non-Bitcoin crypto assets compared to previous years. So, we're seeing that this bull run is completely different. We're seeing more and more institutions aping in. We still really haven't seen the FOMO, the retail FOMO hasn't started. We're seeing institutional FOMO happening, and not only that, institutions are not only gobbling up Bitcoin, they're also gobbling up altcoins, things like Avalanche, things like ADA, things like Solana, things like, of course, Ethereum, the big daddy of them all. So this is why I really think that this bull run is not over. The retail FOMO hasn't even started, guys, and we're seeing a lot of coins like Saitama and Shiba Inu going up to the moon, guys. So this is really great news. If you're a Saitama holder, it's going up, guys, because what's happening is more and more exchanges are listing it. So that's really important because, as more and more exchanges list it, then, you get more people buying it, and of course the price goes up, right? So, if you want to make money, and this is not financial advice, if you get into a coin early before it's like blasted out on all the primary retail exchanges, like, if you can get into a coin before it's on Binance or any other exchanges, basically when a cryptocurrency token is hard to buy, then it means that the early adopters are going to make the big money, guys. So Saitama looked like it's ready to pop and pump. So this is really good news, guys. So I talked about Plan B here. Guys, keep an eye on Plan B. We talked about our rainbow model. We're still in the bubble phase. We still have not seen the FOMO in. FOMO is not intensifying. We haven't seen the FOMO from retail investors yet. Also, if we look at the fear and greed, it's at 76, guys. And it's increasing a little bit because we saw that Bitcoin is going up. And Bitcoin's over 63. Ethereum is over 4,000. So it's looking pretty good. So let's take a look at the market cap right in the house right now. So we can see right now that the total market cap is at 2.62 trillion in the house. So it's looking pretty peachy keen, and we need to get up to 2.70. And Bitcoin right now is trading at $62,500 and some change, and this is on the Bitfinex weekly chart. So we've got about 5 days left on this weekly candle. We're above the 21-day EMA, so that's very bullish. That's very positive. So this bull run is not over by any means. Keep an eye on around Christmas time for this thing to start to cool off a little bit, and we can see the altcoins absolutely go on a tear around that time, guys. We're also seeing right now that Bitcoin on the one-day chart is also looking pretty good. So 62,520 is down a little bit on the one-day chart. People's taking some profits, but it's looking pretty good. And keep an eye on that. I still think that we're going to hit 64,000, 65,000 by midweek. Wednesday or Thursday we could hit 65,000, guys. Smash the likes. Tell me what you think about that. And right now, let's take a look at the Dogecoin. Dogecoin, as you guys can see, it's just following this channel all the way up, and Dogecoin is trading at 26.31. So don't discount the Doge. Doge is going to get there. We got the 27-cent resistance over there. Doge is a slow mover. There's not much news out there for Doge. Doge has been pretty quiet. We had the Elon tweets, and we had this whole foundation thing. That's another reason why we saw Dogecoin kind of tankety-tank. It went all the way up to the top here when, this is when Elon said, look, I hold Doge, I own Bitcoin. And then when the foundation news came out, we saw that big tank because it really confused the market. So keep an eye on Doge. Doge is not dead, despite what a lot of people think. I love the Doge. I'm holding the Doge. You guys should keep holding the Doge. It's not financial advice. And Doge is going to make a move. And Doge is acting more like a stable coin right now. I mean, it's just pretty stable. It's pretty range bound. And it's at 26.31. So come on, Doge. Giddy on up. I never give up on the Doge because Doge is not only about, it's not just a cryptocurrency. It's also a fun little community. And I love this community. You should love this community. It's a great time to be alive. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house. Shiba Inu right now is trading at 41. We covered it previously. So it's looking pretty good. And Ethereum in the house right now. Ethereum is trading at around about 4,205. So that's pretty good. And, you know, we have this descending triangle here. We've broken out. We're going to the upside. And we just need to get past this resistance at $4,400 and get past our all-time highs. I think that's going to be coming sometime this week, guys, so I wouldn't panic too much. And right now, if we look at Harmony, you know, it went to all-time highs here. It went to all-time highs of 35 cents. It's come down a little bit. It's basically giving up. People have been taking some profit. That's pretty normal. And right now today, Harmony is down about 2.9% and is trading at 33 cents. So Harmony is a smart contract play. You know, it's a layer one solution, guys. So it's looking pretty good. So, guys, I like Harmony. This is not finance. Smash the likes. There's not really much news except that, you know, they're improving their marketing right now. They're doing a lot of stuff that's really positive in terms of that perspective. So they're improving their marketing. They invested $300 million to kind of, you know, seed people to build DEXs and apps and different protocols on top of their blockchain. So that's why we're seeing that Harmony is moving. So keep an eye on Harmony. Harmony could be a big mover, guys. You know, I think by the end of the year we could see Harmony getting close to like 60-70 cents, guys. So it's really doing pretty good, guys. And other coins in the house, Cardano is just going range bound. I don't want to talk about it. It's trading at $2.17. It's moved up a little bit, but it's just in this, you know, this zone 2 here, and we need to get it back up to zone 3. And I don't think it's going to happen, not for a long period of time, guys. So we've got Solana in the house right now, and Solana is you know, trading right now. Solana is trading at 207, so that's good. It's above the $200 line, so Solana is looking pretty good. I'm still looking for us to get past our all-time highs, which was $221. I think we can get past that pretty soon, guys. I think maybe by this week we'll get up to $221. Let's take a look at the coin market cap in the house right now. And it looks like the total market cap is 2.68 trillion, and the volumes are 88.29, and Bitcoin dominance is 44.12. So the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. I hate all these pop-ups. I get lots of pop-ups. And let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. So we're seeing that overall right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 62,627, and that is down that's up 1%. We're seeing Ethereum is at 4,212. That's up 1.72%. BNB is at $484. That's up 0.66%. We're seeing ADA is at $2.18. Is almost 2% up, and Solana is at $207, and that's up 2.6%. DOT is also up 1.4%. That's 43.93. And the Doge in the house is down 2.4%. It's at 26.34. Shiba Inu in the house is up 1.24%, and looks like you know, Avalanche is up almost 7%. So that's looking pretty good at $70. So overall, we're seeing more green than we are red. So that's looking pretty good, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. This is Saitama Guru. If you guys are into Saitama, you guys can follow this guy right here. He's you know, he's one of the devs and founders. So you know, you follow Saitama Guru here if you want to get more updates on Saitama, guys. And right now, follow me on my Twitter. It got 2,758 followers. And follow. You're going to get all the tips, the tricks, and go back and watch this Doge doing only good every day. This is where all the Patreons, all the memberships, all the coffees that you buy, all go to charity, guys. And you know, Doge is about giving back to the community, and I love to give back to the community. And Doge is not only a cryptocurrency; it's about the community, it's about love, it's about you, it's about me. And I just want to say thank you, God bless you, thank you for watching. You made it to the end, and go down there, smash the like you like it. You're gonna love it. I love it. And don't forget to subscribe in the house, and go down and check out my links below. You know, check out all the links below. Don't forget you know, all the links are there. Don't forget to check out my merch. We got my merch. We got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and all that stuff. And don't forget to check out the infamous mug. You're gonna love it. Gear up with the OG gear, guys. And don't forget to go down below to every video description. Check out all the description. All the links are right down there. And don't forget to check out the wife's channel. You know, you're gonna love it, and it's great music. Go there, support the wife, happy life. Go there and subscribe, and if you want, leave a comment on there, and I'll give you a big shout out, guys. So with that being said, guys, do not forget to go back and watch the other videos. And I just want to say God bless each and everyone. I'm out, and this is Ric Flair of Crypto in the house. Woo! I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be positive, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Spread the good vibe. Woo, 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 woo. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I love it, you love it. Let's get it.